my name is Jocelyn, and we finally went to get Lea Clark. And she's from St. Louis, which is my hometown. She loves to fly to Brazil. She loves to take pictures. So let's get started with this magical girl. I love her compass. It's a compass. If none of you know that thing's name. A messenger bag, cute little eyes, cute hair, cute shoes, and cute dress. Then she has a book and a sea turtle. Oh, and you only can get the beach dress items when only you buy it all. So you got a pair of sunglasses, pair of green shoes, flip-flops, a blue butterfly hair clip, and a purple beach dress. Now we're going to go on to accessories. A top thing that goes on your head. It's a headband. Sea turtle's book, camera, a passport, some photos, and a charm bracelet. Now we're on to our hiking accessories. So we got a coordinator backpack that has a tank of water, a hiking stick that's all colorful, 2 snacks just in case she gets hungry while she goes hiking, bug spray because there's lots of bugs on Amazon, and a butterfly mat, some binoculars, and since it was a release day, we got sarong, that's pink. So if you get the swimsuit, then you could put it around Lea's swimsuit or something else. And this is the envelope it came in. Thanks for watching. Peace out.